This metal straw is the last straw you'll ever need. It's just one of many ways you can make a major environmental impact. Did you know? 500 million plastic straws are used every day in the United States alone. That's enough to wrap around the earth twice. Most machines can't recycle them because of their size. They don't biodegrade, but they break up just enough to show up in our food and water, and they can endure forever. Yep, we face a big plastic waste problem, but we'll get out of it by making a lot of small, good decisions. It doesn't take much to make a difference, and reusable metal straws will help us get there. So if you've got a slurp, you can find your metal straw in stores or online. Learn how you can help others make small, good decisions at iuk.edu/sustainability.